So in this topic, we will be discussing about Johnson, Scholes and Wigington's model of suitability, acceptability and feasibility, or shortly called as SAF model. So assume that you have selected a particular strategy for your company. How do you know that strategy is really good for your company? The answer is you have to apply the SAF model, the suitability, acceptability and feasibility model. Okay. So in short, we will just quickly see it. Suitability is your company, we assume that it is already been established. So they already have an existing strategy. If we are going to bring a new strategy, what happens is the old one and the new one should be in some way compatible. So we can't say that we assume that we will take Walmart. Walmart is a supermarket kind of a company here, supermarket kind of a business. Assume that you come up with a strategy and say that we have to shut down all the stores, all the retail stores, and we have to get into online like what Amazon is doing. This seems to be a good strategy, but the thing is it suitable? Is answer is no. It's very difficult to shut down all the stores of Walmart, because just now we saw that Walmart has around some 4,000 stores across US. We can't suddenly close all our 4,000 shops, and we can't suddenly move into a kind of a company which is like similar to Amazon. So that is not a kind of a suitable strategy. What a suitable strategy would be is, Walmart, if they are going to get 100% of their income from the stores, okay, the supermarket stores, they can try to get around some 20% of their income from online stores. So something like 80-20 would be a viable ratio. But entirely moving to online would not be such a suitable strategy. So we have to find out whether it is suitable. The second one is whether it is acceptable. A CEO cannot take any decision only by himself. He has to consult the stakeholders. When you say that Walmart has to shut down all its stores and enter into an store, your idea will be outright rejected by the shareholders. Not only the shareholders, even sometimes the customers will face difficulty, suppliers face difficulty, and lenders will be like outright angered with this decision. So even when you bring the strategy will not work out at all. So it's only a waste of time even trying to push this strategy. So you have to check whether the stakeholders will accept the strategy. That is called as the acceptability. And the third one is called as feasibility. Assume that you say that 20% we will move online, and we also got every stakeholder's approval. Is it feasible? Do Walmart has the capacity, capability, employee strength, the finance and everything to create an online store by themselves? Can they do it? Okay. And can they do it within a span of some 3 years? If the answer is yes, we can do it, then it is feasible. If the answer is no, then it is not feasible. So the logic is this: JSW, they have said that only based upon when all the three factors are a yes, then you can push the strategy. If you feel any one of them is a no, then this strategy will not be able to be a successful strategy, and you won't make much money out of that kind of a strategy, because usually that strategy will fail even before the implementation. So this is a good kind of a evaluation tool here. So the previous video which we saw, topic which we saw, were creating more options or choices, but here it is about narrowing down the choices so that we choose the most realistic one single option. So we will see what are the subtopics that come under these headings. So suitability is, a company has to analyze its PESTEL and FIFOs, and they also have to take into account whether the old strategy and the new strategy are fitting together, whether there's any change in technology. If there, how much of technology is changed? Will there be any threat from substitutes? For example, what are the implications other online stores would have on Walmart if they move online to an online store? What would be the reaction of competitors? What would they do? We have to consider that, and there are like still some other points. So you have to, the major element is this, whether your existing company will or can adopt this new strategy or not. The second one is acceptability. Acceptability concerns assessing risk, return, and stakeholders' expectation. So even if you're a CEO, you are bound to listen to your stakeholders. We have to find out how customers will react to our strategy. We have to find out how whether there will be resistance from staff to push this strategy, whether the wider community will accept this kind of strategy, even though community is not that critical to a company, but whether they will accept the strategy, and whether the goals of stakeholders will be affected by this strategy. And the last one is feasibility. Whether we have the right number of staff, whether they have the right skills, whether we have adequate finance, and whether we have the technology to push the strategy. So a company has to consider all these elements, and then only they can proceed with a particular strategic choice. So thank you very much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page, so you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.